Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be doing a review of the Acer ConceptD 7, a laptop that's been designed with creatives in mind, and this shows through their decisions for screen resolution, CPU, GPU and colour accuracy, which we'll discuss later in this video.
Let's take a look at what's in the box. First of all, I love the packaging as it's earthy and minimalistic. To be honest, it almost feels refreshing to be unboxing something without packaging that's full of frills. Inside we have the box the laptop's in, the laptop and the charger. The design on this laptop is consistent with the packaging. Frill-free, simple and minimalistic. I personally love this. The white is pristine and is said to be stain resistant from a variety of materials, such as marking materials and even coffee.
This is perfect for those busy creatives that will be taking the laptop to the studio with markers around, or for those who love to work in coffee shops.
As you can do this with peace of mind that the laptop will stay in mint condition, which is something you'd expect from a high-end laptop. The laptop is both thin and lightweight, as it weighs just 2.1 kilos. This weight is made possible by the magnesium aluminium chassis, which is 20% lighter and nearly twice as durable as normal aluminium.
This makes it perfect for taking on the go, whether it's from the studio, to trade shows, to product launches, as it's lightweight and durable.
The touchpad is accurate and the keyboard is nicely laid out. It's also backlit with a copper colour where the brightness can be adjusted. It's not an RGB backlit keyboard, which I prefer as I think it suits the minimalistic design. The screen on this is really impressive and designed to provide everything you'll need as a creative. Its 16-inch IPS display gives you loads of screen space, which is perfect for video and photo editing. And it does this without making the laptop too big, as it has an 81% screen to body ratio. It has 4K resolution, which was great for me as I could view footage I'd filmed in 4K in its native resolution, which is really important for me to be able to see how it actually looks. As well as 4K, this displays an impressive colour accuracy as it covers 100% of the Adobe RGB colour gamut. It also displays 400 nits of brightness, which isn't as much as some of the other laptops available, but it's still perfect for the job, and this wasn't something I noticed that I felt needed improving. The screen bends 180 degrees backwards, which makes it great for collaborative work, and it's also matte to reduce glare so you can view it clearly in a variety of lighting settings. When tilted and turned, there was barely any colour distortion or glare, which was brilliant.
This powerful laptop has the 10th gen i7 processor, which clocks in at 5.1 GHz and has 8 cores and 16 threads.
This made it so quick to use, especially when I was creating 4K video content on Premiere Pro. Alongside this, it has 32GB of RAM, which is a wonderful amount of memory. This made it so easy and fast to work from multiple applications at once, using a range of creative applications such as Audition, Premiere Pro and Photoshop simultaneously, as well as taking notes on Word and researching on the web. This laptop could handle anything that was thrown at it with ease and speed. The model I'm testing today has a 500GB SSD, which gave a decent amount of onboard storage, but I did feel that for creatives this may not be enough, as storing 4K videos and CAD files etc. can take up quite a lot of storage space.
This is why I'm glad that there's 1TB models available for those who need the extra storage on the laptop.
All of these incredible specs aren't let down by the GPU, which is the NVIDIA RTX 2080 Max-Q, a graphics card that's been designed specifically for creative workflows, so it's been optimised for a number of creative apps. The Max-Q is slightly underclocked, which makes it cooler and less power hungry, giving you the perfect balance between performance and battery. The battery life on this is pretty impressive when you consider all the awesome specs it has, as it can last up to 7 hours. For me, it lasted around 6 hours with moderate use. This is perfect for those who are working all day or taking it on the go with you because you've got a reliable battery, which is exactly what you need. This laptop has a 720p webcam, which isn't great but does the job perfectly for Zoom calls or streaming. Its speakers are on the bottom, and whilst they are pretty good speakers and they reach quite loud levels, they're also pretty echoey due to being located on the bottom of the laptop.
This laptop has a wide variety of ports, but it doesn't have an SD card slot. This is something that I found a little disappointing, as a laptop designed for creatives, you'd think that they'd make it as easy as possible to transfer files from your camera to your laptop, but for some reason they've decided to ditch the SD card slot. Although this is a little disappointing, it's not really the end of the world, as you can just use an adapter and that wasn't too much trouble.
Anyway, on the left we have the charge port, USB, HDMI and 2 audio jacks. The 2 audio jacks make it great for music artists to use a microphone and headphones simultaneously. On the right we have 2 USB, mini display port and the really fast Thunderbolt-C. It also has the Wi-Fi 6 connection, which is up to 3 times faster than normal, which can reduce latency when media streaming or video calling. The fan on this laptop is so quiet. This is due to its vortex flow, which did an excellent job at keeping the laptop both cool and quiet, even when under a heavy workload, making it perfect when working in quiet spaces such as libraries and studios. Overall, this laptop was really impressive. It had everything you'd need for a creative, including speed, power, storage capacity, a 4K screen with excellent colour accuracy, and so much more. My only gripe with this is the SD card slot, which isn't really a big issue at all, meaning this laptop is pretty incredible overall.
Thanks for watching Box's review of the Acer ConceptD 7. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them below and we'll be happy to get back to you, and we've also included the link to buy below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.